Good morning, guys. It is about 7:15. I got up at 6. I worked on my YouTube. I'm looking at my clock up here on the wall. I worked on my YouTube. I got it finished. I am having my first cup of coffee. There's my bunny cup. It is Easter. Happy Easter, everyone, if you celebrate. I'm making my list of to-dos. It's long today because I ran out of time yesterday, but that's okay. I'm early. I'm writing down what I need to do first. So I'm going to make macaroni salad and orange salad first. And then I'm going to get my desserts in the oven that I want to make. Anyways, we have church at about 11:30. Is it 11:30 our time? Yes, 11:30 our time. And it's online, so we'll have it on the television. I've got to do some cleaning, and I definitely need to clean myself up a little bit, but I'm not worried about that this morning. I'm just going to get my work done. Yesterday, I got my list that I did make yesterday morning with you all completed. So that is helpful. So that is under my belt and all done. So today is vEDA day 4. Happy Easter, everybody. First things made, I made macaroni salad. And it's got dill pickle, bacon, celery, an egg, and obviously macaroni, a little bit of paprika, salt and pepper, and mayo. And I just combine all that after the macaroni gets done and the bacon is cooked. And then Ronnie likes his with a little tiny bit of ranch dressing and some croutons on it. That's just the way he likes it. It's not the typical thing for me, but he likes it. Then I made my orange salad. It has to set up in the refrigerator, so I just cleaned out my fridge. And I have to wash up the first set of dishes and get on to my next task, which will be loading the crock pot with my green beans.
Shall we pray? Father, I love you today. I want to thank you for sending your son, Jesus.
Okay, we are getting set up, and I just thought I would share with you what I'm doing. I've got some apple bread, which I still need to cut, my cherry pineapple dump cake, some Oreo brownies. These I call chocolate buttons. There's some Rolo ones, and there are some Candy Kiss ones. This is where my new punch bowl went, and I'm going to put, I gotta clean this first, but I'm going to put my punch in here. Ham is in the oven, and my table is looking pretty. This is my new tablecloth that my mother-in-law got me for Easter. I just put a little fake candle. And I've been cleaning. I cleaned up the bathroom, and I'm going to run the sweeper on the stairs a little bit, and then I'm going to go get cleaned up a little bit, hopefully, and get something cold to drink. In-laws have come and gone. We had a lovely supper together and a lot of dessert. We've had 70-degree weather today, super sunny, just beautiful outside. I hope you guys had a fantastic Easter. We ate too much, and we have a lot of leftovers, so I'm not gonna have I'm not going to have to, my phone just said low battery. I am not going to have to cook tomorrow, which is a plus. I do have to wash clothes tomorrow, but other than that, I'm pretty good. I do need to write a letter for some work that I need to take care of. But I do want to come in here and say I hope you guys had a fantastic Easter. We certainly did. We had lots of food and family. In fact, we just got back. Ronnie and I walked over to his mom and dad's and we had a quick cup of coffee. I spoke to my parents on the phone. I talked to my son. Everybody is doing well. And I talked to all my kids, and it was really good. So everybody's doing good. Today is the last day, however, for Easter. Let me show you guys. I'm kind of walking you guys in a circle for my bunny cup, guys. My bunny cup. It'll be time to put my little Easter cups up until next year, and it's kind of sad. I might keep them out for the month of April just so that I can enjoy them, but I'm gonna have to go over to Home Goods and see if they have any others. And I have a mug addiction that is really spiraled out of control. But I can't stop buying mugs. It's just the way it is. So anyways, today, let's see. This would be vEDA day 4. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you be a part. And that's about all I have to say. I tell you what, I got up really, really early this morning, and then it took us 48 minutes to eat dinner. You do all that work for 48 minutes, but that's okay. That's just all part of it. But anyways, we watched church today. We was with family. We had great food, and just had a lovely day because the weather was fantastic. So I hope you guys are doing well when you see this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow for vEDA day 5. Bye, guys.